Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comment going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today we're doing another vlog. I feel like I've been doing these a lot lately. It's just another weekend at the lake house, and it's Labor Day weekend. Right now I am heading to the Oxtros, which is like a fundraiser event where like a bunch of booths of people down here at the lake just kind of get together. There's auctions, music, a lot of different things going on, so it's just fun, and I thought I'd bring y'all with me. And yeah, my makeup is really kind of weird looking, kind of just threw it on in like 10 minutes, and this is what I came out with. I don't care, I'm at the lake. I was just kind of making it somewhat presentable for my mom's business, but yeah, the lighting also sucks. Yeah, health-wise has kind of been a bad thing. I'm on new medication for anxiety and depression, trying to see if that helps anything, and it's made me really sick. So I love rejecting medication, and I need to go actually get my other battery because this one's gonna actually end up dying. So there's that, and let's just head on into the Oxtros. Hey y'all, so as you saw in my first clip that I was telling you guys I was about to go to the Oxtros and that I wasn't feeling very well. Well, in the end, when I got to the Oxtros, I got really sick, and I wanted to keep this video in. I almost did not vlog at all and just like scrapped the whole thing, but I wanted to share with y'all kind of really showing you how not transparent, but like how easily I can just push through, and not easily, but how easy I can just fake being okay, even though I told you guys I was okay, or explaining what was wrong and then just being like, I'm fine, whatever, and just going on with my day. But me explaining that, you guys kind of didn't know how bad I was actually feeling. I don't remember how much I explained of this, but I was throwing up the past couple days from my medicine that I was taking, and I was not eating at all. I couldn't. My stomach really hurt. I was in constant pain. I was really, really bloated, and my stomach was really inflamed. I looked like 3 months pregnant when I wasn't. It was just a lot of going on. So when I got to the Oxtros, I didn't really have to park that far. My phone is blowing up, but I didn't really have to park that far. I parked like on the edge of the parking lot, but it was not that far. And as I was walking, I couldn't breathe at all, and I just felt like I was about to throw up again, and I was like, oh my god. So as I got to the Oxtros and sat down at my mom's booth, I just felt really sick, and I didn't have the strength to talk to anyone. I couldn't do anything. I had people I've known since I was 3 come up to me and talk to me, and I don't really know if they noticed I was not feeling well or anything, but yeah, there was a lot going on, and I just didn't feel well, and it was bad. So one thing that's been happening is I've been like almost crying every night because I just feel so sick, and I'm tired of feeling sick, and just like I just feel like a lot is going on, as I always explain. And I hate that I'm explaining this in a lot of videos, but I really want to continue doing this, but it's very hard, and I don't want to be that YouTuber that is just like, oh, I'm like, well, I'm okay all the time, but when I'm really not. And it's just showing how much showing how I am going to be scheduled for YouTube and everything. But today, obviously, I feel okay, so it's fine. But I just really want to explain that to y'all, that I can easily just push, not easily, but like easily just fake a smile, be okay, and no one would notice anything is wrong unless I said something to you. So I really kind of wonder if you guys look at that video, and if I did not say anything, would you guys see anything was wrong? I really wonder if that was a thing. So, goodness. So the next day, I was really sick again, and I didn't eat at all until dinner time. So I was awake all day at the lake and in the heat, and at one point I just didn't feel well, and I went back upstairs and I just got really, really cold. And that's a thing I do. I get freezing cold, and that's kind of part of hypothyroidism, is being really, really cold. And the thing is, it's just so extreme. Like, it's really extreme. It was 90 degrees, and I was in sweatpants and a sweatshirt, freezing, outside at 90 degrees. And then my dog was on top of me, and he was just like laying with me, because that's kind of what he was doing. And he's becoming really, really, really attached to me. And when I don't feel well, he kind of like lays on top of me. And it's just, I've kind of made him my support animal, and we're gonna train him and maybe make him my service dog for support as I'm going through all this stuff, doctor's appointments, all this, just trying to figure out what is going on. We have finally declared I am going to Mayo or Cleveland Clinic. We are trying to set up an appointment, seeing when I can do that. And because it just got to the extreme, I am crying every night, and I'm just in pain constantly. I can't walk upstairs, and it's so bad at this point, and it's just bad. So yeah, I kind of want to explain that to you, and I know I am not the only person that goes through stuff like this. So if you see someone just faking it all in front of you, you don't know what's going on inside of them. And I kind of him the like I don't know what to call it, my brain is gone, but I kind of show it, like, you really don't know what people are going through unless you're them. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that clip, and then I'm just gonna follow up with the next clip and kind of my chaotic family that is always happening at the lake. So I'm gonna explain that a little bit more. So my car is the red car, and next to it by the wood pile was a hornet's nest or bee's nest. I don't know what it was, but it was a nest, and someone stepped on it and got bit or stung, whatever. And so Jeff, my sister's husband, started like throwing a vacuum cleaner at it, trying to suck the bees or wasp or whatever it was into the vacuum, because our neighbor told us to, or told him to, so that's who walked up to us. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on. And then they were spraying it, and then it was getting on my car, but I have like a monthly thing, so it wasn't that big of a deal. I'm like, I had to clean my car anyway, so it's like makes me even need to clean my car. I will insert a picture of what my car looked like afterwards. So that's pretty much explains the next few clips. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one, and give a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well.
I
think I got that on camera. I turned it on because I saw I could do that.
Oh my lord!
Come here, Diesel. You want to go on the boat?
What, Josh?
Come here, Diesel.
Josh, come here.
Jeremy, you're gonna have to take the boat out.
He's
Like, no, I'm going on this boat.
He's like, wait, you guys are actually going on the boat. He doesn't know what to do with his life.
Come on. Oh, good girl. You're gonna go this boat. Come on, Josh.
Wow, that was hilarious.
That was.
I think I got it on camera.
That was great, right?
In midair. Come on. Cool. Back.
It's some killer that I found. It doesn't really work.
I know, I was about to say, should we or but what if we have to make a run for it?
Oh no, Raquel's not gonna be happy.
Are they in my car?
Check out your car.
No, don't store that.
What?
Spray it.
Oh, well, I have a monthly thing. It's fine. Why are you videotaping me? Did you get... Oh, I shouldn't. Because I will seizure. We don't want that. I don't know what's happening. I have to wash my car anyways. Gives me a good reason to wash my car.
I'll spray it off when I'm
You
done.
sprayed the little
What, my car?
of them. Are you vacuuming them up? They're dead.
I have a monthly subscription.
Moving yet.
Back it up. Back it up. Mom, you might want to back up. It's a never dull moment. Mom, you might not want to be that close. Back up, Mom. Is it doing anything? Guys, no. Okay, disaster waiting to happen.
Oh, he's gonna stir the pot. Yeah,
Oh.
I want no part of that.
Oh no!
The ladies, I've already
Like
experienced.
run away.
Looks like it's touching a snake.
That's right. I don't understand what's the matter. Do they voluntarily fly in?
Y'all are blocking my view.
What are you? This could turn into some YouTube material here.
That's what I do. I'm a YouTuber.
Hey, be ready. We're not gonna be able to use that now. Well, we did get some out before that happened.
Trying to see what's going on. When we're very entertaining. We have a bee's nest.
I'm pretty sure he's the one that wants us to do it.
Oh, did you tell him to do this? Yeah.
Oh, it's your fault. Did it work? I don't even know what the technique is going on.
I like making shit up at this point.
What is the point of vacuuming yourself?
Mom died.
Hey, Jeff, could I just ask if you got any of that spray on the nest, or was it all on the car?
Oh, that was the other stuff.
It's okay. I have a monthly subscription that I need to use a lot more. The thing is, let's hope we get them all in so I can get in my car.
How did you get it straightened up when you got out?
I don't know. It's a good thing.
Did you
Oh, at least, yeah.
Were they hornet?
I don't know what, they were real little.
Where'd you get them?
All from here down. I mean, okay. Oh yeah, they were coordinated. They were
Oh, you gave her an idea!
Oh man, I gotta go live. What happens when a bee has
yeah, those little things right there, that one.
cracking me up?
I got a text.
Dinner's getting cold. Yeah.
Dinner's getting cold.
I think that was water. Will it soak it in more?
Ow!
Or is it better to leave it?
Yeah, we can use that wood now.
With the
It probably had some honey on it. It would have tasted good.
I
You say so. You say so.
didn't get into the
Gosh dang, Tosh.
Hey, Jeff, let's go have dinner.
Well, I know what you had to work with, so I get it.
He's still spraying. Look at Jeff, he's got like, he is so serious. Oh no. Your car is gonna get dinged, I get it.
I just got a fix.
Don't hit the car. Alright. Yeah, those things might come with it. I'm gonna make a cheeseburger.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?